Everyone. In this video, we are going to see about business process re-engineering. This is apart from the syllabus. We are going to see this concept. But business process re-engineering is nowadays they are using and it plays a vital role in manufacturing units and so on. Is what is re-engineering? Engineering is coming out with something new ideas and they want to make it up, right? That's all about engineering. Engineering is constructing or designing something for the betterment or for the customers or consumer. We can told as the engineering, right? If it is re-engineering is nothing but we have to dismantle that particular product or a process, and we have to identify what's and how we want to understand how it's working. After understanding the process and the product what's all about and the process what's all about, after the understanding, what we want to do is we want to reassess that particular process, or we have to reassess what's all about it. So process is one of process how we want to change the process in the manufacturing unit, or what is the improvement we want to do it in that particular product. We have to we can come up with this business process re-engineering. So let me make it more simple. What's the concept is all about re-engineering. If I am having a kind of bottle in my hand, or a kind of trimmer or some product in my hand, what I want to do means I want to dismantle it. So if I am having trimmer in my hand, then I want to dismantle it and I want to separate it, and I want to see how many components I am having in that particular product, what for it's used in that particular product. I want to understand what's each component and its contribution towards that particular thing. Once I understand those things, once I aware about those things, what I want to do is I want to start doing the what are the components in that particular product, what is the function of each component, what is the function of the entire product. I want to analyze those things, and once again I want to dismantle it. What product I dismantle, I want to mantle it, and based on the feedback of customer and consumer, I want to improve that the specific component or the design of the particular product. Based on the product effectiveness and efficiency, I want to do a certain improvement in my product. So re-engineering concept is very much important to come up with some new or kind of product development as well as for a process development. If you take a manufacturing unit, there will be a certain process. There will be n number of products like simple manufacturing process. There will be a complicated business process will be there. So even some production process will take 4 minutes. Some production process will take 10 minutes. It depends, right? So what is the most effective and efficient process we want to identify? For that also, we will be using this business process engineering concept. We can do improvement in a product as well as we can give improvement in the process of production process also, which takes which wastage less and time consumption is less. Based on that, we can frame one. We can adapt some new process for that particular manufacturing unit or production unit, right? So yes, let's see. Business process re-engineering objective is customer focus, because of customer or consumer satisfaction is more important in any of the product. So customer or consumer satisfaction is one of the most important objective. Based on their feedback, we are working or we are continuously improving those product and production process. Next is speed. Nowadays people are purchasing everything in online and so on, so they are expecting everything on their doorsteps, right? So even a kind of product or a kind of production process, there should be continuous improvement, because if you take there is every week there is new technologies are evolving every 1 month or twice. The new machineries are evolving. So always adapting new technology and new machinery will always improve your productivity of your business. So that's one of the point. And another one is if you people expectation or customer or consumer expectation is on higher side, you want to do some changes in your product so that the particular customer or consumer will get satisfied to you. Even at least a color or a wrapper, something has to be changed in the product so that people will be get attracted to the things and they will purchase that particular product. Nowadays, nowadays customer or consumer is not focusing on quality. They are more attracted towards physical appearance of the product and things. Yes, everything they want in doorsteps. Though speed is more important. Ease of use, understanding of the product, everything plays a vital role. Next is eliminating customer complaints. So never it will happen. Always customer or consumer will look for new things. They will be looking for certain new things in the product and so on. So completely we can't nullify or we can't eliminate the complaints. We have to take those things and we have to positively work on the product as well as the process, production process. So if you take business process reengineering concept, there is 3R: rethink, redesign, and redo. Rethink is rethinking about once if you aware about what is engineering, how it works, what are the components are there, what is the function of the product, and so on. You have to rethink it. How differently we can put it, or how we can simplify it. Likewise, you can think about what is the function of the product, how we can make it more simplified, or what is the purpose, how we can make it happen in a very simple manner. To rethink it and redesigning, because if you find whatever product you see, you are satisfied at one point of time, you are satisfied with those products or service, but you can rethink and redesign those products, because even in designing you can able to achieve more effectiveness, efficiency, and uh, things can be achieved. So redesigning the new process or the product can be also done in this. Uh, yeah, is the concept of one of the concept of business process engineering. And redo is most important. How we are making it done, whether it is a product development, how we are going to use it. If it is a process development, what are the tools and how we are going to make it up. Retool also it's a more important, right? Next is in business process reengineering is a fundamental rethinking and radical redesigning of business process. As I mentioned earlier, business process reengineering is just a fundamental rethinking about redesigning of the business process or a business product to improve the performance, of that particular company, as well as a product satisfaction, such as cost, quality, speed of the product, and service delivery. These are the primary elements of that particular process. If it comes to process, cost is more important, quality also more important, time. Speed of the product means time, how much in short time we are getting that particular product. So with this cost, quality, and time, the primary elements, how much we are satisfying that particular customer or consumer or a kind of production process, how we are improving, that matters. That's all about business process engineering. Thank you. Thank you all.